This is Sugar at the North Central LA City Shelter. Her ID number is A13620004. She is a gorgeous 4-year-old female blue pit bull. She weighs 69 pounds, so she actually looks much smaller than that. She more looks like a 55-pounder. She came to the shelter on December 7th, and she is super sweet. This girl's very scared in her kennel, but once you get her out, she's a different dog. You can see her playing with our volunteer here. She was giving him kisses just a minute ago. She is so cute. Oh, there's more kisses. Look at her. An absolute sweetheart. She was tied up at the shelter, but she's obviously come out of a home. She's wearing a collar, and she is super sweet. She actually just went nose to nose with another pit with a male, and she did great. We love this little girl and would desperately love to get her out of the shelter. She's a little bit of a low rider, super sweet. She loves the attention. Just a sweet girl that deserves a wonderful home. So cute. So please come adopt or rescue Sugar here at the North Central Shelter. Again, her ID number is A13620004. She's absolutely beautiful. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Okay. Hi.